In this video, we are going to use Bitquery APIs to get OHLCV data for a particular 4 meme token. All the API links will be in the description. You guys can test it out on ide.bitquery.io. By just signing up on IDE, you will get free 10,000 points for the first month for testing. Let's go over to the docs.bitquery.io and then select V2 docs, and under V2 docs, click on this L1 chains. Under L1 chains, click on this BSC, and under BSC, you will find the 4meme API page. In 4meme API page, select the get OHLCV data for a 4meme token. You can see the query here. You can just click on this here button and it will open the query on the IDE. You can see here the variables mentioned. You can put here any other 4meme token address as well. Right now I'm testing it with this address. Here I selected the limit count as 10. I will get the 10 candles with the OHLCV data. I've ordered the result in descending order according to the block time, and I've selected the filters here. Trade currency smart contract is token address, which is mentioned here. You can read more about price asymmetry in the docs, and I've selected the DEX protocol name as 4meme V1 because I only want the data of this token for the 4meme DEX. Here I have selected the interval for the block time as 5 minutes. You can select it as 1 hour or 60 minutes or anything else also. For this particular 5-minute interval, I have calculated here open, close, max and min prices using the filters appropriately. And then I have also calculated the volume in USD traded for this token for this 5-minute interval by doing the summation of trade side amount in USD. I will get the 10 candles data after running this query. So this is the latest 10 candles data for this particular 4meme token. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and head over to our Telegram channel if you have any questions.